Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use Rubistar. This is an online resource. It's free, it's easy to use, and you can create all sorts of rubrics from there. I selected this website because I think it's really easy to use and really easy to save. I also think since it's really easy to save, it's really easy to share with people, with other teachers, with parents, with students. That makes it easy to share with parents so that they know what's going on in the classroom, help to keep students accountable and things like that. Really, I created this tutorial for other teachers, figuring out how to use this as a resource in your classroom. And so let's go ahead and get started on one. Okay, so when you go here, it will just have you sign in. Nice thing about this website too is you don't actually have to remember a login. You just have to remember your name and your zip code. So it's really easy to use that way. Go. Okay, so on here, they have already made templates for you. They'll suggest all sorts of criteria based on what kind of thing you're doing. So if you're doing a class debate, a lot of the options will be about the debates, or if you're having students create a timeline or any kind of thing like that. So since I'm a math teacher, we'll go look at the problem-solving template they have. Okay. And it will start creating a template for me. I can go ahead and type in here the title of the project. And down here, these little pull-down categories, I can have all sorts of pre-made criteria. For example, if I want to make sure that my students check each other, okay, it'll just generate each sort of column for what kind of points they would get. Okay, I can also create new categories specific to my project and just type in what I want that criteria to be. I can also change point values up here. Okay, and I can add as many as I'd like, and then when I'm done with that, I can just submit it, and it will give me an example of what my rubric would look like. Okay, and I can always go back and modify it. It will save everything I've done. Just got to keep going back and changing it. And once I'm done, I can save it a lot of ways. I can save it online, make it really easy to share with students and parents, or I can download it and save it onto my computer, or I can do both of those things. I think it's a really good resource. It's really easy to use, and I hope you enjoyed this